Hi, this is how to complete Lesson 27 homework using the problem set, which is almost exactly like the homework with different numbers. So this is basically what the homework is. They want you to model using number disks and record using the algorithm. So you'll see on your paper that you have a place value chart set up, hundreds, tens, and ones. And for the first two, I even made the number disks for you. There are 6 in this problem. There are 6 in the hundreds place, so I'm going to fill those in. There are 5 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. And then because I am dividing by 5, I need to have 5 spaces with which to pass out the dots. So I want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total spaces. And I need to make my lines a little longer. Okay, so now I also have my division problems set up over here. And I'm going to do these two activities together. I'm going to start with my place value chart and my numbers disk, and I'm going to record what I'm doing in the algorithm. So I have to start in the hundreds spot. I have 6 in the hundreds, and I have to divide it into 5 spaces. So I'm thinking about that, and I know that I can put at least a dot in each space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I don't have 5, I have 6, but I cannot put an extra dot in a space because I have to have the same number in each space. So I'm going to cross off the 5 I used, and I have 1 dot left over in my hundreds place. Now to show that over here what I just did, I had 6 divided by 5, and 5 times 1 is as close as I can get to 6. That's what I had, 1 dot in each space. 1 times 5 is 5. That's the 5 dots that I used up and crossed out. And then when I subtract 6 take away 5, I get 1, which is my 1 that was left over. Now I have to move this one over. I can move it over to the tens column, but this 100 is worth 10 tens, so I need to make 10 new dots. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my 10 new dots, which makes me have the 10 new dots and the 5 dots I already had make me have a total of 15 dots. I have now 15 dots in my tens column. And I show that by bringing down my next number, and now I have 15 over here. And I have to divide my 15 dots into my 5 spaces. So 15 divided by 5. So I'm thinking about what I know about my 5 times table. 5, 10, 15. That took me 3 counts to get to 15. So I'm thinking I can fit 3 in each spot. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and that uses up all my 15 dots. So I found out that 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15, which is how many dots I used up. When I subtract, I get a 0, which means I have no dots left over, and I don't. I'm free to move to the ones column and divide there. So I'm going to bring my ones digit all the way down, and now I'm dealing with 5 dots that I have to put into 5 spaces. So 5 divided by 5. And I know that I can put 1 dot in each space. 3, 4, 5. And I use them all up. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. I used up all my 5 dots. 1 times 5 is 5. I subtract and I get 0. There are no remainders. And my quotient is 131. And if I look across a column, I'm going to look across this column. I should have 131. Let's see. 100, 1 in the hundreds, 3 in the tens, and 1 in the ones, 131. So my place value chart matches my division. Let's try another problem. 726 divided by 3. So I need to have a hundreds, tens, and ones chart. And I'm doing 726, so I need to have 7 dots in the hundreds, 2 dots in the tens, and 6 dots in the ones. I'm dividing by 3, so I know that I need to make 3 spaces to put my dots. 1 space, 2 spaces, and here's my 3rd space. I'm going to erase that because that's kind of messy. Let's do that better. 3rd space. Okay. So, change my color. Okay, so I have 7 dots to put into 3 spaces. So I'm thinking 7 divided by 3. How many times can 3 go into 7? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. I can do more than that. 1, 2, 3, and it seems like I have 1 left over. So I got 2 dots in each spot. So 2 is how many I was able to divide. 7, 3 goes into 7 2 times. Now how many did I use up? I crossed out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I crossed out 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. 6 were used, and when I subtract 7 take away 6, I get 1. That's the 1 dot I had left over that I circled. That's the 1 dot that I need to now move over to my tens, and I have to think 100 is worth how many tens? It is worth 10 tens, so I need to make 10 dots over here. So instead of having 2 dots, now I have 2 dots plus 10 dots, which is 12 dots. And when I bring down my 2, my new number over here is also 12, because now I'm going to pass 12 dots out to the 3 spaces. And I can look on my chart in the 3 column and see where the answer is 12. And if I do that, I should see that the answer, that 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I'm going to be able to put 4 dots in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And that passes out all the 12 dots, because 12 divided by 3 is 4 dots in each row. Now because I used them all up, I used up all 12. 4 times 3 is 12. I write that here, and when I subtract, I should get 0 because I have nothing left over. But I still have some ones to do, so I bring the 6 all the way down, and now I'm going to focus on dividing the 6 ones. So I have 6 ones and 3 spaces. And if I looked at my chart in the 3 row where the answer is 6, and I went all the way up to the top, I would see a 2, because I can get 2 dots in each row. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. I cross them all out. I use them all up. 2 times 3 is 6. The 6 dots I used, I subtract 6, take away 6, I get 0. I have no remainder, and my quotient is 242, and I can check by looking very closely in a column and seeing if I have 242. I have 2 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, and 2 in the ones place. I have 242. It matches. So my place value chart showed what my algorithm shows. So I hope that was helpful. And now you can try the homework on your paper, in the last problem, I just want to tell you, 964 divided by 4, I want you to make the dots and the groups. So I just gave you a place value chart, and I wrote the little numbers at the top, but I want you to make the dots. You need to show 9 dots here. Okay? You need to show 6 and you need to show 4. And then you need to draw a line and make 4 spaces because you're dividing by 4. I gave you a little more work with that last problem, but you can do it. I know you can. All right, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.